Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. In today's episode, we dive into Ackman's Pershing Square Incorporated's impressive Q2 earnings, spotlighting their strategic stakes in MasterCard and Visa. We explore the U.S. Army's urgent lessons from Ukraine's drone warfare tactics and Onda's promising defense orders ahead of their Q2 earnings report. Discover how China's YMTC has surpassed Kioxia and Micron in global NAND shipments, while experts caution against splitting the MMR vaccine due to potential decade-long delays. We'll also discuss Paramount Skydance's potential sale of CNN to secure a Warner Brothers merger, analyze Thursday's biggest stock movers including Cisco and SPCE, and reveal how CXMT has overtaken Tencent as the world's most valuable Chinese company. Stay tuned after this short ad break for more insights on these stories. Pershing Square Incorporated had a strong first quarter as a public company, exceeding earnings expectations with 14 cents per share. The firm invested in Visa, MasterCard, and 4 other companies. However, revenue was slightly lower at $54.2 million. Assets under management increased to $32.5 billion due to significant inflows and new investments discussed by CEO Bill Ackman and CIO Ryan Israel.
In a major exercise in Germany, Ukrainian drone operators successfully targeted U.S. armored units, revealing vulnerabilities in traditional warfare. This highlights the increasing significance of drones and electronic warfare in military spending. The Pentagon is making substantial investments to adapt by testing Ukrainian drones and improving counter-drone technologies.
Ondas will announce its second quarter 2026 results on August 13th. Analysts expect $67.97 million in revenue and a non-GAAP earnings per share loss of 10 cents. Despite a mixed earnings history, the company has increased its 2026 revenue outlook to over $525 million, thanks to defense contracts and strategic acquisitions like DZYNE Technologies.
China's Yangtze Memory Technologies ranks third in global NAND memory shipments, holding 14% of the market. Samsung is first with 25%, and SK Hynix follows at 22%. Yangtze's growth stems from supply shortages and advanced technology, but it ranks fifth in revenue due to a consumer-focused product mix.
President Trump's directive to separate the measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine encounters obstacles because individual vaccines aren't approved in the U.S. Merck and GlaxoSmithKline manufacture combined vaccines. Creating single vaccines might take 10 years. Experts caution that this action could raise costs and logistical challenges without scientific support for autism claims.
Paramount Skydance's legal officer proposes selling CNN to address antitrust concerns related to its $110 billion acquisition of Warner Brothers Discovery. California and 11 other states claim the merger might negatively impact competition. Paramount is considering moving out of California to reduce expenses, with Comcast, Netflix, and Apple as potential buyers for CNN.
Stock futures showed mixed results as investors evaluated inflation data and anticipated earnings reports. Omeros shares increased by 15% following strong second quarter results, while Fossil saw a 7% gain after surpassing expectations. On the downside, Cerberus Systems fell 17% due to missing earnings targets, Virgin Galactic dropped 11% after postponing commercial service, and Cisco Systems declined by 6%.
CXMT Corporation has surpassed Tencent Holdings as China's most valuable company, fueled by increased demand for memory chips. CXMT's market value is now $524 billion, exceeding Tencent's $510 billion. This change underscores the rising significance of semiconductors compared to traditional tech investments.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates. Until then, stay informed and inspired. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.